What does Mr. Stokey got? You gonna take it, Stella? Say, I want it. Give it to me. Take it. You gonna get it? Did Stokey win? You get it. You take it away. She won. Ha ha. Did you get it, Mr. Stokey? You want me to throw it? You better give it. You better give it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You better grab it. I'm gonna get it. Ouch. You want my fingers instead? I want Stokey's. You're gonna let me have it? Let go. Let go. Let go. Here, you take it, Stella. She goes for the skin. You guys are making me dizzy. When, Stella, get it? Say hi. Stella, baby. You say hi to me? Say hi. What you doing? Are you playing with your big bro? Are you playing with your big bro? He's not gonna let you have it that easy. He's learned your tricks. Did she get it? Oh, did she get your toy? Poor Stokey. Come here. Come here, Mr. Stokes. Come here, you poor baby.